Established in 1997 in Dongguan, China, OC International has grown into a premier global manufacturer for the luxury hospitality market. Our expansive factory environment covers over 20,000 square meters, powered by more than 300 highly skilled craftsmen. The OCI facility features integrated, specialized workshops to handle every facet of production. Our environment includes a high-quality upholstered furniture department, dedicated lines for solid wood and laminated furniture, and a professional metal production line for stainless steel and aluminum. Every piece is finished in our meticulous in-house paint workshop to ensure a flawless result. Our success is driven by a rigorous 6-step production process. We begin by collaboratively developing your unique design concept, followed by delivering a pre-production sample for your approval. Once approved, our team produces your order with expert care, utilizing high-level specifications like commercial-grade fire-retardant foam and solid timber framing. Finally, we ensure each item is carefully packaged and delivered through our seamless global logistics network. Beyond manufacturing, we provide on-site project management and professional installation services to transform your vision into reality. OC International, crafting unique furniture that stands the test of time.